Howdy folks, welcome back to our channel. There's been a lot of big changes going on here at Epic Nature LLC. It was bringing back these used solar panels from Houston, Texas. It worked out just about perfect on our last rhubarb delivery to drive a couple miles to the other side of Houston. About 15 years old and likely will produce good power for another 10 to 15 years. So there's still quite a bit of life left in them, even though we picked them up for $12 each. We bought 50 panels, $600, and right now it's heating our house. There's a lot of different types of mounting hardware depending on what you have going on. I wanted a freestanding semi-permanent units that can be moved around because we're kind of in a testing phase. So these are just treated 2x4s, 20-ish 2x4s in each one of these arrays. And we have all the panels wired. There's holes in the panels. They came with holes in there, so I just used old galvanized wire because we had transitioned our farm from galvanized fence wire to aluminum. So I have all this galvanized wire. I wired all the panels together, and these 2x4s are all secured with regular 3-inch deck screws. And then as anchors we have T-posts driven in the ground and then tied to the T-post. The calculations for an array of this size, if you had direct 100-mile-an-hour winds, you'd have 3,500 pounds of force, which I think is highly unlikely. So I believe that a couple of those T-posts is plenty to secure these in the ground.